Hey, YouTube and Mercedes folks. This is John with Infidel Garage and the ML4 Dirty Project. Today, just going to show you a quick video if you have auxiliary fog lamps or light bars in my case that you want to wire in and you don't want to run off a separate switch because the switches and relays that come with these kits look like ass. Sorry if you have one, but to me it's just kind of childish looking. I don't know. And plus, it's nice to just be able to kick on my brights and also have the non-street legal LED come on. I'm not going to be blinding people anyway, so fuck California. Anyways, so this is basically a quick video showing you how to do the wiring on it. I have a wiring diagram, and I thought that gray wire right there, that's what's supposed to, according to this, is supposed to be the gray wire. Hold on a sec. Where the hell was I at? There we go. Gray wire. Right there. Oh, fuck, I forgot this one's touchscreen. Get out of it. Stop. Anyways, that gray wire is supposed to go to the right and left front fog lamps. I have no power to it. I can hear the relay clicking when I flip the switch inside. This guy. So with the ignition on, headlamps on, click this, and the light comes on. But no power to it. You know what? Now I think I'm an idiot that I'm looking at it. I was pressing down. Maybe that's for the rear fog lamps. And pushing it up is for front. I don't know, but the fucking thing's already wired, so here it is. It'll work out either way, even if that's the case. I'll take a look at that later, like right after I'm done with this video. But if you don't want that switch and you want to have your headlamps come on or your auxiliary light bars, KC lights, whatever the fuck you're going to put on it, if you want those to come on when you hit your brights, this is how you wire it. Your white wire coming to your headlamps. This is a pre-facelift. It did not have xenons, so this is going to be different for you. Look up the wiring diagram. But for mine, it is the white wire. So that is white going into my little ghetto splicing unit. That is gray. So that's going to be the fog lamps. That red wire is coming from the relay that came with the wiring kit. I've got it stuck back there. Everybody knows what a relay looks like. You put power to it, you put ground to it, and that's what's actually supplying power and ground to the light bar via the relay. All you need is a signal to click the relay over to get the power to flow through it. And in this case, I just needed power to my red wire coming from the switch. Wherever I put that fucking thing. I was going to use that to show you guys something, and lost it. Just like my mind. Hey, there it is. Alright. Back over here in the light. Alright. So we got a little switchy McSwitch. I had this plugged in and tested it before I did anything. It's got a little quick disconnect on it, but all this extra wiring didn't want it, so I cut it right there. But I'll use the connector to show you the wires that are... there we go, focused. So yellow is supplied power to the switch. Red is power coming through the switch. Once you click it, that clicks the relay over. So by simply taking this whole switch out of the loop and using our 12 volts of power, that supply power when the headlights come on, high beams only, that in turn is going to turn the light bar on. If you want to see it, stay tuned for like another 5 seconds. right. Got parking lamps, got headlights on, and there's the brights. Hey, look, a bright light, and a way brighter light. So that's it. And as you guys know, I've got H7 LEDs in both high beams and low beams, and they are awesome. So please don't run LEDs or HIDs if you don't have projectors. Now, it's alright, I'm justifying it to be okay just because of high beams. That is a projector housing. Oh shit, that's projector housing for the low beams. That is not. That is a just reflector housing used for normal halogen bulbs. It does not really control the light well. So those kind of high intensity bulbs are really only made for projectors because they can actually focus the light correctly. But it's your car, it's your roads, do what you want. If you have HIDs and I drive past you, you can look forward to getting that in your face. That's what I do when I get brighted. Call me an asshole. I don't care. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it kind of made sense. It's kind of late now, so I'm going to go to bed. And hope this thing is nice and bright in the morning on my way to work. See you guys.